ya mapinduzi katika taifa letu. Kwa hivyo nataka mniruhusu kwanza niongee na dunia mzima, nieleze sababu gani nataka kufanya. Unakubali? Nitasema na kimombo, sawa? Kwanza naanza na quotation. Woe to those who make unjust laws, those who issue oppressive decrees, to deprive the poor of their rights and withhold justice from the oppressed of my people, making widows their prey and robbing the fatherless. What will you do on the day of reckoning, when disaster comes from afar? To whom will you run for help? Where will you leave your riches? Unquote. That is Isaiah chapter 10, verses 1 to 3. Mr. William Ruto used to love this verse. I hope he still does. Dear Kenyans, last week we were betrayed in this city. Our representatives conspired with an executive and abandoned us at our hour of need by voting for the punitive Finance Bill 2023. Yesterday, Mr. William Ruto endorsed this betrayal by signing the Finance Bill into law. We did everything that could be